Blistering performances from Olympians Shelley and Fraser-Pryce and Elaine Thompson-Herah highlighted Saturday's program as track and field action returned to the National Stadium. This for the first time since the COVID-19 pandemic shut down the program. The fourth Velocity Fest was held inside the stadium after being held at Jamaica College for the first three outings. More in this report. Following an 11.28-second run in the heats, Fraser-Pryce clocked 10.87 in the second round to jump to the top of this year's world list. The reigning world 100-meter champion romped to victory ahead of Sasha Lee Forbes of Sprintec Track Club 11.20 and MVP Skashika Cameron 11.56.
Feels good because we've not been racing as we wanted to during this pandemic, and just to come out here and put on a solid time is a plus for me. And even though there's not much happening this season, there's still next season to come. So every race is fundamental in building, the strength and momentum to go towards 2021.
Moments later, Thompson-Herah sped to 10.88 to win her section ahead of Natasha Morrison of Sprintec 11.25 and MVP's Anthony Strawn 11.46.
This is like the 10th month of racing, so it's my 400 meter and I'm feeling great and I'm thankful to be here. Last season I didn't do as much as I should going into the World Championship because of the Achilles injury. So I'm just here to maintain that and get in each race as I can, even though there's not a possibility to go on the circuit this year, so I'm just working at Jamaica on these races.
Elsewhere, Taekwondo Tracy of Tumbleweed and Nesta Carter of MVP both clocked 10.20, and Romario Williams of GC Foster 10.21 was second in the 100 meters. Sprintec's Rashid Dwyer won the 200 meters overall in 20.94, with Andel Miller of MVP 21.50 and Emmanuel Calendar of Pelicans 21.66. Meanwhile, Genevieve Russell of MVP was the overall 400-meter winner, clocking 51.74 faster than her MVP teammates Sharika Jackson 51.76 and Stephanie Ann McPherson 52.20. The men's equivalent was won by national 400-meter record holder Rasheen McDonald 46.49 ahead of the GC Foster College duo of Akani Slater 46.60 and Demar Murray 46.93. World Championship silver medalists Frederick Dakers and Shanika Ricketts were also in action. Dakers won the men's discus with a 64.45-meter effort, while Ricketts won the women's triple jump with 14.21 meters.